Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to test the defective MOSFET. So as you can see, we have here IRF830, which is in-channel MOSFET. So pin 1, gate, the center pin is drain, and then the third pin is source. So let's start the test. So let's calibrate our multimeter here at diode at transistor test, and then the read probe to the center pin, the drain, and then the black probe, let's put it in the third pin, which is the source. So let's test the off state. So when we say off state, there is no reading. There should be no reading for this off state. Okay, let's start. Okay, so there is reading. So infinite zero, continuous beeping. There's a long beep reading. So this is defective. It should be no reading. Then let's say let's switch off, turn off the MOSFET. Let's put this black probe to the gate in order to switch off the MOSFET. Hold it now within 5 seconds. And then, let's put it back again. So there's still reading. So this is defective. Or we can use the other method of turning off the MOSFET using our finger. Touch the gate and drain, so you can touch. As you can see, this is also another method for turning off the MOSFET. Then test again. Still there is reading, so this MOSFET is shorted, defective. Okay guys, thank you.